It's your fave weirdo, Zarina, and I forgot how to start my intro. Y'all already know who it is. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup look, and as you all know, I am not the best makeup artist, but I want to try this and I think it might come out nice. I think. Fingers crossed. So basically I'm going to do like a drip effect, and if it comes out right, then I will post this. Hopefully it doesn't come out as much of a disaster as my other video. I was being serious about that one, and it didn't turn out right. So hopefully this one comes out so much better. And this time I'm going to show you the brands I'm using, because last time I didn't do that and I got some good advice, so that's what I'm going to do now. Stay tuned and let's see how this comes out. Bye! Okay, so first off to start, I have this concealer, and it's much lighter than my complexion for a reason, so that when I put the colors onto my skin, then it'll pop up more. You can get any size brush would work, but I want to use this one so I can, you know, apply it better. I'm going to take it and dab it on my face, where I'm going to be putting like the drip and stuff like that. So yeah. Am I gonna go all the way up there? Am I? Yeah, I probably am. So let me just put it like there. I'm gonna take my brush and blend this in. Okay, y'all, this does look really crazy right now. Like, it does, but I'm doing this for a reason, so just wait. Okay guys, so basically I take my concealer and a brush that looks wedged, and I'm going to take a bit of this and draw like a squiggly line like that, and I'll be back when I'm done doing that. Okay, so I've done squiggly lines. Kind of remind me of jellyfish, kind of. Now I'm going to add color. And I'm not going to be using face paint because I don't have face paint. I'm going to be using, this is called Beauty Glaze Color Fusion, which is the palette I was using on my aunt. Hang on. Has all those different colors in there. And I'm going to try to do a rainbow theme. I don't know how this is gonna come out, so I hope this comes out nice, because it took me a long time to do this, guys. Just pray for me. Take this brush, a smaller brush. It's not flat, so use a brush like that. I'm going to start with a red. I'm going to start with this color red. Okay, so I colored this in red, so like with each drip I would do a different color. I'm going to be rainbow colored because I like the colors of the rainbow. And I think that one is orange. Yeah. The drip, if like, don't use a big brush for that, use a smaller brush because it's easier. Now I'm going to color this one in orange. Now we're going to do yellow. I'm so sorry. Green. This guy is so pretty. this blue, like a dark blue kinda. Guys, don't forget to blend in the colors as you go with either this this brush or a brush like this, and just go in a circular motion. It's beginning to my nose. This kind of reminds me of that book where the girl was sick and then she had like a rainbow face because like her temperature or something was off. I don't know if y'all know what I'm talking about, but I know what I'm talking about. By the way, this is violet. So the other part was indigo right there. This is violet. Okay, so now for the rest of this side, I'm going to be using the glitter part. So we have a glitter violet. They do not have indigo, guys. I'm gonna have to blend in those colors. I got my dad's calling me. Okay, y'all, this is the last color. And it is this glittery purple right here. This color is so pretty. Like, I think this is the prettiest color on this entire palette, to be honest. All right, so I'm going to be using ColourPop red lipstick. My lips are dry. To add eyelashes. And I'll be back when that's done because it's gonna take me forever and I don't want you guys to see me struggling, so. Okay, so I added more definition. This is, it's called California Love by ColourPop, and I used this brown color and I just went like between the crevices like this. I did that with a dark color, so it looks like it's, you know, not with my skin, if that makes sense. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. If you have any ideas for any other videos you want me to do, whether it's challenges or hair videos, for me to do pranks or makeup like what I'm doing now, then just go ahead and comment down below. Oh, I forgot my intro. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, comment please if you like, and you can share my video also. So thank you guys for joining me. Have a nice day. Bye.